let's talk about that one. Virtual twin is a good one. The places I've heard it used, and again, I don't think anything that we're going to say on this episode or this series of episodes is comprehensive because we're not everywhere here in every conversation. But when I've heard people talk about virtual twin, I think they're talking about a digital twin prototype is another way I would describe it, right? So it is the digital representation of the future physical thing they hope to build, right? Where digital twin, I think a lot of times has the connotation of I've got a digital thing that matches a physical thing or aligns with a physical thing. And that's hence the twin concept. There's two of them. One's physical, one's virtual or digital, and they kind of match up. But this virtual twin concept is, wait, I don't have a physical thing at all yet. I'm still imagining it. So that's where I think calling it like a digital twin prototype is another good way of expressing this concept.